okay, just come slowly because the bump is raised. It's okay. Nice and slow we go. Not on this road, there's one more road which is safe. Can you do me a parallel park? No, not here because there's a road here. Let's move forward. Find one more road. Because there's a junction here. We can't do it next to the junction.
Okay.
Why is not safe there?
Because there's a junction, the people.
Yeah, we don't want to affect them. Good. If you don't affect anyone on your test, you pass your test.
Okay. Okay, I understand.
Okay?
Yeah.
Can you do me parallel park with this car, please?
Okay, sure.
Just do it nice and slowly. Take your time. Good all-round observations.
That's too much.
So move forward and fix it. It's okay, don't panic. Nice and slow. Even if you make mistake, correct it. It's only one mistake you're making. Can I stop you here? Otherwise, you're gonna hit the car.
Yeah.
Only one mistake because you are
Because
really
I'm
close.
too close.
Okay, move forward. Go do it with the white car, but leave 1 meter between you and him.
Yeah.
Same again, a door width.
Yeah.
The one is coming. Let the one go, and don't panic. Nice and slow. And when you're stopping alongside the car, leave one door width between you and him.
Okay.